My name is Aiden Barrow and I'm the owner of Haüs of Assembly. The Haüs of Assembly was founded in 2016. It is currently a lifestyle brand and gift store that we focus on creating handcrafted and unique gifts and accessories inspired by the Bahamas. So I grew up with my grandmother just helping her to plait straw and make straw bags in the straw markets. I think that just doing that every summer as a child just really helped me to gain an appreciation for accessory design and just being able to create things inspired by the Bahamas, made in the Bahamas and for the tourist market. And I am so passionate, especially like after I moved home and even when I was abroad, because there's truly no place like the Bahamas. There's truly no place that provides the abundance of inspiration. There's nowhere in the world that you can go that the hospitals are pink and like police stations are green. Like I don't think Bahamians realize the rich treasure trove of inspiration that we have here. And there's no place in the world that would have been able to inspire Haüs of Assembly and truly like just how unique it's become. Tourism is everybody's business. That means to me that whether you may work in the tourism sector directly or indirectly, it still can have profound effects on the tourism industry in the Bahamas. And everything that we design, I see Haüs of Assembly as kind of like this joyful creation of products. And so I see and I hear that whenever tourists come into the store, like they just feel joy and happiness. But I think that they're surprised when they walk into Haüs of Assembly to see kind of cultural things done in a more abstract, refined way to the point where like they become more everyday. And it definitely elevates tourist perspective of the Bahamas and Bahamian inspiration. I feel as though, as Bahamians, we can continue to push tourism through pushing our brand and our product. This can be done through not just elevating the quality, but elevating the storytelling. So not just focusing on direct inspiration, whether that may be through Junkanoo or through Conch or through all these things that are directly linked to Bahamas, but maybe looking at them through a new lens and in a new way. This is our home, these are our islands, and this is our industry. So tourism is everybody's business.